And this is part 4 of my video series on the overview of Psych 100 General Psychology in the course syllabus. This is also the last part of this 4-part video series on the course syllabus. Turns out I didn't have as much to say for this last video as I thought that I might. With part 3, we had ended with this image. I had shown the Psych 100 course schedule for winter 2021 and talking about how the red items indicate the dates on which you'll have a multiple choice quiz. That was the last page of the syllabus. So we can now switch back to the document where we had begun. We had begun with a document that was Your Welcome to Psych 100 General Psychology. In this document, I went over the way the class will be conducted, the multiple choice quizzes. I talked about the multiple choice quizzes you'll be given, how to prepare for them. I talked about the written tests you'll be given, and so forth. The last time we were in this document, we were on page 14, so let's continue. Page 15 of that document. It goes on to say, on your own time, you'll take the Canvas quiz on our course syllabus. It is multiple choice format. It's worth 30 required points. Remember, this syllabus quiz is not extra credit. It's 30 required points. The quiz is open book and open note, but you have to do your own work. You can't receive help from anyone else. You won't do this quiz during our class meeting time. Most of the multiple choice quizzes you'll take this semester will be during class meeting time, but not this syllabus quiz. You'll do it on your own time. So instead, after class, use the Psych 100 Syllabus Quiz Study Guide to prepare for the quiz. It identifies those policies and sections of the syllabus that are particularly important, that you're especially likely to get quizzed on in the syllabus quiz. Earlier, I gave you instructions on how to locate and download this study guide from Canvas modules. You'll have the syllabus in one hand, you'll have the study guide for the syllabus in the other hand, and you will get ready for the quiz. When you're familiar with the syllabus and you feel like you're ready for the quiz, then you'll take it by doing the following. Log in to Canvas, go to our Psych 100 class. On the left side, select modules, go to the module for the current week, open up the page that has the term syllabus quiz in it. Follow the links on the online instructions and it will take you to Canvas quizzes, and there at Canvas quizzes you'll take your multiple choice syllabus quiz. For the syllabus quiz, you'll be allowed 3 attempts, 30 minutes each. Now, this is not going to be the case with most of the multiple choice quizzes you take this semester. Most of your multiple choice quizzes, you're allowed just 1 attempt. But because this is going to be your first multiple choice quiz in my class, I want to make sure that you have time to familiar yourself with the way that I give you study guides to prepare and the way that I write my multiple choice items and so forth. So once you have downloaded and studied the syllabus and the syllabus quiz and you feel like you're ready, you can go to Canvas quizzes and take that syllabus quiz. One way to get to Canvas quizzes is by going through Canvas modules. That is the end of this lecture on Chapter 0, Module 1, the syllabus. Next up will be lectures dealing with Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Keep an eye out for email announcements from me when I have the module for that material ready, when I have the module that has the study guide for Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and other items you'll need for Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. When that's ready, I'll send an email announcement to everybody, and then you'll be able to go to the Canvas module and download the things that you need, but you don't need to worry about that until you get an email from me. Look forward to beginning this semester. I always look forward to teaching Psych 100 General Psychology. I enjoy the class. I think you'll enjoy it too.